Welcome to 19286 Wingfoot Circle in Huntington Beach. Come check it out. So in the living room, we did a luxury vinyl planking, and you'll see that throughout the whole house. We took the pure bare white paint up to the ceiling and had this beautiful wet bar here for that alfresco dining. As you come up to the second floor, you'll see all of our new iron matte black railing and new posts. And as you come into the kitchen area, you'll see we did a white shaker cabinet for the outside and a white oak island here. We have all new appliances. We did our signature quartz countertops and ended up taking that porcelain tile up to the ceiling. To finish off the kitchen area, we did a breakfast nook in the corner here and a beautiful glass door for the pantry. Now let's check out the primary suite. We opened up this room by making the door to the balcony oversized, and we added a walk-in closet. In the primary bathroom, we did additional storage here, a new standalone tub, dual countertops, and floor-to-ceiling porcelain tile. In all of the upstairs bedrooms, we did recessed lighting and a 4-inch molding on the floor to make it feel modern. Lastly, we added this additional sitting area out here on the patio. After receiving multiple offers, we accepted an all-cash one and are super excited to get started on our next project.